New snack alert!
New snack alert!
Pillsbury filled crescents. These look hella good too. They're crescent rolls stuffed with pie.
Come on now.
Come on.
Come on.
I want these
So
right
good.
now.
In my mouth. Give me a seizure.
In and around my mouth.
Right? Oh, are you kidding?
Now.
I want that pie just like dripping down my chin. That
All right,
crescent.
that's a new snack alert.
I'm so
With all the
hungry.
frosting.
Yeah.
God.
Yep.
Frosting
I'm
in
right
effect.
here with you.
No
Frosting
napkins.
in your face.
That's a no napkin
Okay.
situation.
Yep.
Keep
Messy.
moving.
Barehanding it. But can you imagine if you bite into them and you just have that warm, like dripping down your chin?
Yeah.
Are you saying that you want to eat it raw?
Oh, you gotta eat it raw.
Yeah.
Right?
That's what I was
definitely-
thinking.
Those snacks are great.
Yeah.
Oh, imagine how warm that
can't.
filling is. Like out of the toaster.
Mush,
Oh,
it's
you
like
gotta
just
toast
gush.
them.
Yep.
The Wake Up Show
With Strawberry, Lizette Love, and Jenna.
on KUBE 93.3.